Hello all. Today we'll be looking at a question given in GATE 2018. Consider the following C program. The C program is given as we first include the header file #include stdio.h. Then we define a structure which has the tag name our node. It has three fields x, y, and z of type char. Then inside the main function, we declare a variable p of type struct our node and initialize the corresponding fields to 1, 0, and a plus 2. Then we declare a pointer q of the type struct our node star, which points to p or it holds the address of p, and then we are printing something. The question says that the output of this program is you have given 4 options. The NPTEL video reference is lecture 58 on pointers. Course name is Problem Solving Through Programming in C by Professor Anupam Basu from IIT Kharagpur. Now let us look at the useful data for solving this question. First, let us define what is a structure. Now, a structure is a data structure. It is used to store different fields in it. A structure consists of a tag name and is specified using curly braces. An example, struct is the keyword used to declare the structure. Tag name is specified, we specify tag name, and inside the structure we specify some fields or declarations. Like if you look at the question itself, our node is the tag name and it contains three fields x, y, and z of type char. Now the members of a structure are accessed by the dot operator. For example, let's take this structure called student. It has two fields, one is a character pointer name and marks. Now to declare the variable of the structure, we use struct student s. S is the variable name, student is a tag name, and struct is a keyword. Now to access an element of the structure, we use the dot operator. And let's say we want to initialize the name to, let's say, NPTEL. We say s.name equal to NPTEL. Now, what is a pointer? A pointer holds the address of a variable. Now to better understand what is a pointer, let's take this example. Let's take these 2 lines of code. The first line declares a variable x of type int. The second variable declares a pointer ptr of type int star which holds the address of x or it points to x. Now what does it mean? What do I mean by it is, let's see diagrammatically. Now this is our memory. Let's say this is our memory. It is organized as an array of cells. Now when I declare variable x, let's say the variable x is declared at a location 100 or the address of the variable x is 100. Now when I declare pointer, pointer is also occupies some memory, it's a variable. Now let's say the address of the pointer is 108. Okay, and when I write int star ptr equal to and x, it stores the address of x which is 100. So now we can say that ptr points to x. So with this knowledge, let us now solve the question. So I have written the code snippet here for us to better analyze it. Okay. Now the structure P holds 3 values, 1, 0, a plus 2. Now this a plus 2, we are storing it in a char. And what happens is, the ASCII value of a, small a, is 97. And when we add 2 to it, we get 99. And this 99, we are storing it in a char, so the ASCII value 99 gets converted into its corresponding character, which is C. So our structure P holds 3 fields, 1, 0, and C. Okay. Now Q points to P, right? And when something points to P, it points to the first element that is present in P, which is 1. Okay. And if we increment the pointer q by 2, right, then we move to the third element, which is C, a plus 2, and I explained a plus 2 is C. Okay, so the first case where q is the pointer, we are casting it to a character pointer which it points to the first element. We add 1 to it, it points to the next element. And we access the content of it by using the star operator. So 0 gets printed. Similarly, Q is typecasted to a character pointer, so it points to the first element. We add 2 to it, it points to C now, and we are getting the content of it. We are dereferencing this pointer, is one more term we call. We are dereferencing it by using the star. So we are not printing the address, we are printing the value itself, which is C. So the output to this question is 0C. So I hope you get this. Thank you.